We don't usually use the dishwasher very often, but we are plagued with water staying in the bottom. You can see just how it's come up maybe 2 inches from that brownish black pipe. And one of the things that you have to be very careful about is if anything is clogged in the back, anywhere there might be a drain. The drain goes into a hose that goes underneath the sink. Well, there's the bigger hose that's coming through the left side, and then it goes up and around into the top of the disposal. Well, there's supposed to be a loop at the top of the hose, and this is to prevent any water draining back into the dishwasher. So I'm going to put a loop in the hose and see how draining will be improved after this is done. Going through a short cycle, I was able to get the hose. It's not really long enough to make a loop, but I did have it go up towards the top of the sink and tied it off, and maybe that incline will keep any water going back into the disposal rather than going back into the dishwasher. We'll see. We'll see what it is like in the next day or two. About 2 hours after running it, and it looks like it's pretty well dry inside there. Maybe just a little bit of water. We'll check in a day or two. Two days have passed, and the dishwasher apparently is dry. Looks like it worked. Looks like it's drying. It's been several days, 3 or 4 days. Looks like it worked just by putting a loop in the hose.